Hi guys! Come with me as we explore the Hong Kong Disneyland. Super sulit talaga for a one-day whole trip. Pero heads up magdala kayo ng ekstrang paa kasi aabot talaga tayo ng halos 20,000 steps. Sobrang legit yan. So we book our trip via Agoda and ang tip lang is mas okay talagang mag-book on a weekdays para mas konti ang tao and mas mabilis ang pila. So from the city, nagbus kami and train lang kami going straight to Disneyland. Super convenient and once inside, grabe, sobrang saya agad ng vibes. We even watch yung mga parade twice yon. Sobrang ganda talaga, hindi nakakasawa. And of course, hindi pwedeng mawawala yung Iron Man ride, Ant-Man and the Wasp, grabe, sobrang solid. At syempre, mag-food trip. Dun sa biniyaran namin sa Agoda, grabe, kasama na dun yung lunch, dinner, and snacks. 'Di ba? Sobrang sulit. Tapos sumakay din pala kami dito ng frozen rides, tapos mga parang roller coaster. Syempre, hindi rin mawawala yung Lion Show and honestly, one of the best highlights din talaga is yung Momentos. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng fireworks, talaga nakaka-goosebumps and totally worth it talaga. Kaya isama mo na rin yung mga friends and family mo to explore the Hong Kong Disneyland. Grabe, sobrang sulit talaga. Kaya naman, Hong Kong Disneyland, until next time. Please like, share, and follow. Bye!